In this video, I want to share with you the video waterfall strategy that allows you to create 10 times the content without 10 times the work. You may have felt this when it comes to marketing or trying to grow your business, but a lot of times we tend to fall into this hamster wheel of content creation, right? Like where we always have to be creating pieces of content every week, and it gets time consuming because you have to think through what you want to talk about. You have to write the scripts, you shoot the videos, you create the images and write the posts for all the different advertising platforms or the social media platforms. So it's one thing to create all the content, and then you have to distribute it. Like, do you want to show it on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or email or a blog? And now there's TikTok. Like, there's a lot of stuff going on that we as marketers and business owners have to be aware of. So we saw this challenge. We've faced it internally ourselves because, again, we like to create videos and we also use email and blogs. We use all these things, and we started to kind of feel overwhelmed. And we not only have seen this with ourselves, but we've seen this with our clients. Through this conversation and these challenges, we've created what we call the video waterfall strategy. So the waterfall strategy allows us to create one piece of content and create 10 other pieces of content that we can then distribute across the other social media platforms. So the first step is you create the YouTube video. And this video is like a video that lasts 10 to 12 minutes. And it answers a very specific question, like how do you grow a business, or how do you advertise on YouTube, or whatever that topic is. Come up with a specific question, and probably it's going to be, what are the top 20 or top 50 questions you get asked in your market? Each question deserves its own 10 to 12 minute YouTube video. From this 12-minute video, you can then chop it up into 4 3-minute videos, right? So you have the one video, and now you've got 4 3-minute videos that are diving into a specific content. And from these 4 videos, you can cut those up like a vertical version and a horizontal version that you can then leverage on Facebook and Instagram. And again, those videos may be 60 seconds, they may be 2 minutes, maybe they're 3 minutes, but they're a piece, they're a sliver of that main video. After that, once you have the video, you can then leverage we call them an SRT file or a TXT file. Like when you upload it to YouTube, it gives you, hey, here's a file of what you say, and it's in written word. And you can take that, like what's been said in the video, and through AI and program, it can basically write out what you're saying, so you don't have to write it out. There's already a text file there for you. From that text file, you can then turn that into a blog post, like with the title, the headlines, and it's all written out. You can automate a lot of this to have happen for you. So now you got the 4 videos, but you also now have a blog that you can use that can be found through search. And then from that too, you can then have an email. You take your video, you insert it or embed it into an email with your headline, with your subject line, your intro, you have the content, and you can have a sign off. And that email gets sent to your email list, which sends people to your blog where they watch that video. So now you have content for your email list, you are showing up on search, and that video or that email is bringing people back to your website. So you're really building all these different aspects, from your direct marketing to your organic strategy and even paid strategy if you'd like as well. So far we're at 7, right? You got the main YouTube video that's 12 minutes long. You've got 4 smaller cuts that are maybe 60 seconds to 3 minutes long. And then you have the blog, where the video is embedded on, plus you've got the text around of what's being said in the video. And then from that, you have the email. And what's great about this is now you have content for the email. You send it out to your audience, you broadcast it out to your email list. They open it, they read it, they can watch the video there. If they click on it, they can go back to your blog. So now you're growing your website visitors, you're having content where you're nurturing your people on your email list, and you're just educating everyone on all different platforms. From there too, there's different screenshots. You can take screenshots from the video. You could also pull quotes from the video, And those are great to use for Facebook and for Instagram. So again, those are, now you have the short clips, but you also have these quotes and these screenshots that you can then share on Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok with the quick video clips, right? So now from this one piece of video content, we now have 10 pieces of content. And what's great about this is, again, you don't have to keep going through this whole creation process. You can really focus on creating one piece of content. And once the systems are set up for the rest, a lot of this can be automated through the different platforms, through different services, and even having like a simple assistant go through and make sure that this gets followed through. So I know that as business owners and marketers, like we are busy creating a lot of stuff. We want to create and share, and this strategy allows you to make better use of your time. It allows you to make a bigger impact. So if you are struggling creating content for all the different social media platforms, I highly recommend you use this video waterfall strategy that all starts with the YouTube video. And again, it all flows down to the rest, whether it's email, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or blogs. So I hope this has been valuable for you. I'm curious, so how do you leverage video in your space? Is this something that you use? I'm curious what your strategy is when it comes to creating content for the different social media platforms. If you haven't already, comment below. I'd love to see what you guys are doing, and we can have that conversation there. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching, and keep your eyes out for the next video in the queue. It's how to correctly launch a YouTube ad campaign, and I go through that whole process in under 10 minutes. It's a great one, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.